Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss to how to make register and login form with using and admin page using HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL in database. Project name PHP login, database PHP login DB, table name user form, ID name, email, password, user type, user and admin. First of all, already Gem server started Apache and MySQL. Let's start this video. Already my Gem server inside htdoc folder, inside new project folder name, create this folder name new project. This folder create successfully, folder create PHP login. This folder create inside file name, create file name is user register form. This file name create register form PHP. This file name create successfully, create this file name inside new file name, this folder inside this file name create database name, create this database localhost PHP my admin open database name, create PHP login DB new database, click this database name, create this name, create PHP login inside new table, create table, this table name user form inside 1 2 3 4 and 5, this 5 column and go button click inside ID name, email and password, and last user type varchar and varchar 255 255 last 255, this null and null and length 11 and primary go button click and auto increment, click this all set and save the button. Successfully table create this database name inside new table, create this user form successfully table create ID name, email, password and user successfully create this table all successfully set this folder inside new file, create database user form in all column create. Let's start open folder in Sublime Text Editor, successfully open Sublime Text Editor, this folder user file create. Let's run this folder PHP login localhost PHP login and enter, successfully set, enter register form PHP, click this successfully blank and hi message and save and run this file successfully set, this folder name PHP / login, this folder name PHP login localhost and hi and error and save my spelling mistake, this successfully set and remove and save and blank this. Let's start registered form. HTML register form. This title create, this title. Let's check. Register form successfully set. This register form, this title. Body inside div class from container inside from font small, successfully font small, form action blank method post. S3 register now. Input text name, this database name, this name, name email, name required, and placeholder enter your name. Refresh browser and save this file and refresh. Register now and text box enter your name. Input email, second email, this email name, this database name, this email name. Required and placeholder enter your email. Input password name, password, database table password, this password name. Required placed holder enter your password. Input password, confirm password means C password, C password. Required placeholder enter your confirm password. Successfully set. Save file and refresh browser, this browser. Successfully all columns set. Step by step. Select name, this name, database table name, this name, user type. Option, second option, two option. First option user, this user, and second admin, this user value user. Inside value admin and admin. Successfully set. And last button. Input submit name, submit value registration, register now, and class, this class create from btn. Save file and refresh browser. successfully all set and CSS start. This CSS all start this from controller CSS all CSS start this class CSS start this PHP login new folder create inside new folder create folder name is CSS this folder name CSS folder inside new folder create CSS folder inside new file create this file name is style CSS style CSS this is file name successfully create and working good this open CSS file this folder name is inside this CSS inside style CSS folder create this file name create this folder. Let's start open this CSS file inside new link add link this link add successfully add this link check link add successfully this link add please copy this writing this line big font successfully add inside new add this code add please writing this code family font is the s pop and all set next container this container form container and CSS implementation step by step please save file all set step by step this set S3 means is S3 this S3 from inside container S3 all CSS file add step by step successfully implementation step by step please writing this code video stop all step by step set file from container add include this all CSS file set this form container dot form container implementation this import all step by step implementation CSS file this style CSS file save file successfully set and last this style. All set. 135 line. All set. Step by step writing this code. And all set. Step by step all writing this code. Save file and this close file. Save file and this close. Let's implementation this file. Include this link. Link real CSS and inside CSS file, CSS folder inside style CSS file include. This file includes CSS inside style CSS. CSS folder / style CSS file include. Successfully add. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully form set. Register form successfully set. Implementation this file. Remove and save the not working, this good not working. Save file, Ctrl Z, save file and refresh. Good working. All style this include. Step by step database insert this record. This first of all new file create. Login PHP inside new file create. File name is a config PHP. This file name is config PHP. New file create config PHP. Successfully create this file name config PHP. This file name create successfully set and config PHP. File name config PHP. Register inside this file, CSS inside this file. Let's start. Open this file and database connection add PHP $con means connection con MySQL connect localhost root password not available this null and database name this name PHP login DB this name database name create. Let's save file and check database name this database name PHP login DB this database name. Successfully connection good set. Open this file register from PHP. This PHP start add that include config this file include. New file create this file include. File name this config PHP file include. If a set method this method is post method $post name is this name submit name this name submit name. New variable create name variable MySQL real this name include $con means this con include this con include this file inside this con $con include dollar post means post method. This post method inside name, this name include add save. Second, email variable, create new variable email, copy this name and paste here, $con post. Next, this name is email, copy this name and paste here. Pass variable new, create MD5 password, add the security password MD5 password, $post this password, name this password. Second, new variable, create C password MD5 $post this name, include this name C password. And last, user type $post this post name is this name, user type. Different variable all create. This variable different create. New variable create, select and select from table name is this, table name is user from table, new create table name, this table name user from, where capital where email, this email database email, this email and password. Email is equal to this email, add and password equal to this password, this database password, table password. Close this. Select this new variable, create this new variable, create result variable, create is equal to MySQL query, is equal to MySQL query, this connection means this and this variable select variable, $select variable successfully set. If MySQL number of row, this variable create result variable add is null, else part error, user already exit, user already spelling mistake, already exists, set, successfully set this name. If this variable create $pass and the same pass inside pass not wrong, same password is the message this else error password not matched else part working this the data insert $insert new variable create insert query insert into table name is this table name create user form this user form all name this name inside email password and type and user type values this name create $name this name same second new variable already create this email inside email set password this pass and last type is last this user type this type and paste here save file and close this MySQL query inside this con implement and variable create this variable insert $insert variable set and header location new file create login from PHP this file new create login from PHP let's start new file create file name is the login from PHP let's check new file create right click new and text document remove and login PHP successful this file create login from PHP open and check this file is the blank logins and save file login form file open register find a file successfully set all set and last close this all implementation step by step this error message set let's start copy this error message copy inside include PHP if a set inside this message set $error this message name this message and this message set if for s check error name copy key is blank yes error this name copy same name error code this writing echo span class class error msg error msg. This class already CSS file create. Please let's check error message is successfully set. This message include error message from inside. This from inside error message dot this variable copy and paste here inside dot span close span close successfully set. All successfully set this file. Step by step all set file. Save browser successfully set and refresh this table. Not a entry, blank table empty. Refresh this page and save all file. Login user @gmail.com, password 123456, password wrong password 987654. This not a sham password, and select user and register. Message password is not match. Two different password, not a same password. Password not match. Successfully this good working. Let's try user this blank table, not an entry available. User @gmail.com, password 12345667, password 12345667. To same password and create this user. Successfully registration this login. Successfully login. Good working. Same password. Let's check. Successfully set user, email and password this MD5 password. This MD5 password. Security, high security password. This MD5. This MD5 12347 this password, and user type is the user. This same email, back button click and refresh this page. Successfully set. Refresh and user retry this email, user @admin.gmail.com, user @gmail.com. Again this mail, password same password 123456789123456789. 1234566789. This user select and login. Successfully login. This again successfully add. This validation not available. Let's start this validation. Back button click. Refresh this page. Let's start email and email password in select. This where email. Let's start result. Let's start check again. All successfully set this email and password. This two same password is again set. Refresh this browser in this table clear. All successfully clear this table. Successfully clear this the blank table, empty table, and refresh page. User means my name Vipul inside user @gmail.com password 12345678, password 123456. This not match available in register. Same password is not match. Message this blank entry. Refresh this page. My name Vipul P inside user@gmail.com, password 1234567891, 1234567891, and user successfully registration, successfully login this user, insert refresh, successfully create again this email id and again this same password, create. This method is the allow, again same password and email same, select this method, refresh this, refresh and blank this email and password again set. Vipul K, this name not available, this different name, same email id, this same email id, this same email id, copy this and paste here, password this same 1234567891, password this same 1234567891, and user select and retry. Successfully user already exit, not an entry available second time. This validation, this message show successfully working this good, password, confirm password and two password and email id successfully working, different email id, this different email id mohan@gmail.com, password 123456 and this user successfully create this user select this user, back button, this click, refresh this page and new admin create, this admin select, admin name admin@gmail.com, password 123456 and 123456 and admin create, successfully create and admin, refresh this, successfully admin create, this admin two user and single admin, this my spelling mistake, this spelling mistake, admin, this admin, refresh, start login screen. Let's start this login screen, not a sans coding, all same coding, all successfully set. Let's start new, add login screen, this file new create, this file create inside new file implementation, p tag already have an account, a link, a close this link, srf, this file name create login form, this file name copy login form inside paste here, successfully add login form dot login form, login now, this button name login now, save file and refresh browser, successfully set, already have account, this login now, successfully add this link, this refresh this page and click this login now, this file successfully login, this file login, this file name change hi, save file and refresh this page, successfully hi. Let's start login form, step by step implementation. HTML create login form, title, this title set, successfully title implementation, this title login form, div class form contain form action method post. S3 login now. Input this email name and name this email required and placed order. Enter your email. Second, password. Input password and this password required. Placed order. Enter your password. Input submit name means submit. Value login now. Class btn form btn. Successfully save file. All save this code and refresh this page. Successfully implementation. All set. Implementation file CSS file implementation. Link CSS inside style CSS. This file includes style CSS. Successfully include and refresh this page. All forms set. This style CSS inside this class add. This new create this inside new tag create p tag p and don't have an account a srf and register now. Save file. This file include this name include this registered form include successfully set. Refresh this page. Save file and refresh. Successfully set. Don't have an account. Login. Click this login form. Login now. This login. Click this button. This login form and register. Click this registered form available. Successfully set. To set. Login form is working well. Start. Step by step check. PHP start. Login form all set. Please writing this code step by step. PHP include this file config PHP, this database file conjunction, this include login file include. If a set method is the post method $post, this name submit name, this post method inside name submit name, this name submit copy name and paste here. Submit name code start. This all code start step by step. New variable create, name variable create in $con post name, this form name, this form name, this name, this password name. step by step all check. Second, email $con $post this name, this email, this password. This password is not complete. Remove this, not available. This form not available. Only password and email to available. This email. Sorry, email missed email. Second, this password check. MD5 password, this password. Successfully copy this and paste here. Set password and email set and submit. Email, password and submit. Name and name. To same available post method. This post method. Let's check. Password inside select method, select from this table name is this table user form table set where email $email and password $password. This pass successfully set. This email and email pass and password and email. This database name, this name, email and password. New variable create, result variable create inside MySQL query $con. This connection means con and select copy this variable and paste here. This con means available inside. This con available this inside. Set. This step by step call set if condition MySQL number of row and $result name copy set 0 variable. Else part set $new variable create MySQL face array and result. This result, this name copy and paste here, paste remove. If $row means row, this row copy inside user type successfully set this user type. This user type copy this name, user type copy name is equal to admin else if successfully set this name copy row inside paste user successfully set admin and user to type admin and user this type name admin and user to type add different name. Session start session admin name $row this name copy this name and paste here. This username successfully set, and if condition dollar error is equal to incorrect email or password set. This close this and message successfully implement step by step. This message already add this file, copy this message and paste here. Successfully implementation already registered file. Successfully error message, successfully implementation registration PHP file, and copy and paste here. And error message. This message include these two file create inside header location user admin page .php and user page PHP user page. Yes, successfully set all code step by step. All code set. Please writing all code. Two file create step by step. Two file. First file admin PHP create. Let's start. Admin PHP create this file admin PHP, and second file this file user page PHP. Two file create step by step. Let's start. Admin php.php file create. Successfully create this admin file. First file create successfully admin page file. Second file user page file. Two file create step by step. Successfully two file create. All set. This file open. This file admin page file open admin and user means user. Two files successfully create. Let's all file save. This file save and refresh browser. Successfully two user create mohan@gmail.com. First user new create. Let's start. A admin gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and admin password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Successfully registration. This registration form submit create. Successfully create this email admin@gmail.com. Copy this email and wrong password and login. This incorrect email and password. This incorrect email ID and wrong password. Successfully working good. This same password and same email ID. Set 1 2 3 2 3 4 5 6 and login. Successfully admin login this admin. Let's start. Mohan this user copy this name mohan@gmail.com. Refresh page. Successfully this email password 1 2 3 4 5 6. This user successfully admin user successfully login. Good working. Let's start. Admin file open, admin page PHP successfully working. This file open. HTML start, admin page file PHP open, HTML, admin page, this save file and back button click and new email ID A123456 and successfully log in this admin page. Good working. This again open this email ID open @gmail.com in this admin. Password say 123456. Successfully admin login admin page. Let's start. Div class contain form contain container and div class container content s3 high span close span is admin, small admin. S1 welcome span close this span. This session start PHP echo $session name is available already. Add this session name, this admin name, this name is the copy name, session name include. Successfully set. P tag, this is an admin page. This is an admin page. Successfully set. Session start PHP start $include this file config PHP file include if asset $session this name admin name session name include header location this login file, this login form file name is login form PHP. Successfully set and refresh page. Good working. Refresh this page. Successfully undefined variable session. Let's check. Successfully set a link @gmail.com password 123456 and enter. Session start means different session start. Successfully set admin page login form. CSS include this file include step by step. This file include and session start this message login form PHP file open inside session start. Successfully implementation this session start login from set name, all set. Refresh this page, add gmail.com 123456 password and login. Successfully login. This a name means this a name, this admin, this good admin, hi admin, this page admin. Back button and refresh page successfully. And next, this Mohan, this user. Copy this Mohan password 123456 and login. Successfully login. This file open, login, user page open, this user name Mohan at that login, Mohan this user, type user. Let's start user page. HTML start user page. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully user page title good working. All set. Div class container, inside div class content, this S3 high span this user. Successfully set user. In this file open, in this name copy, inside paste here, name only sense, this name is this name, this user name set. Successfully username set. And p tag this is an user page. This file include, inside this file include, copy and paste here. Successfully set this file. Style CSS, all set. Copy this all PHP tag and paste here, inside paste here. Config and this name sense, this user name set. Successfully all set. Good user page PHP successfully set. Let's check. Refresh this page and mohan@ml.com copy and set 123456 and successfully set Mohan user. This good working. Last logout button add. These two file logout button add admin.php and user php. Successfully set Mohan user page. This user page file open, inside new button add a srif class btn logout. File name this logout php. New file create logout php. Copy this name and new file create logout file. Let's check logout file create logout php. This file open new and create this file, rename and create logout php file. Create successfully this file name. Open this file logout php. Inside writing this code, all php start include config php. Session start, session unset, and session destroy all set and header location login form set all successfully set. And this file copy and paste here this admin page successfully to same copy and paste. This new second file user page open inside a link create srf login form class btn in the login, and second a link register form php class btn inside register all set to file copy and paste here inside successfully implementation all successfully set all file save and refresh this page all successfully set this logout file successfully log out this email create a@gmail.com 123456 login successfully set this a link this admin @gmail.com copy this email id new login from php my mistake this php my mistake sorry php save file and this php and php user page php and admin page php I mistake refresh this page and login register new account test user @gmail.com password 123456 password 123456 and user create successfully user create this user create new create this admin test admin @gmail.com password 123456 and admin select this admin successfully to create test user @gmail.com test admin @gmail.com to create first user open this and 123456 means this user successfully user login successfully test and this logout successfully set this user page login not a working user page not a good working this logout page means destroy session this user page this destroy session this session destroy. Next admin copy and password 123456 login successfully login this test admin this message this admin good working login register and logout this login file this registration and last logout successfully video done login registration to file and table set this all set this registration file step by step working registration file all good set this registration file set next login form set all step by step login form admin page set this admin page .php user page set all set config page set, logout page set, good, and CSS file set. This CSS file, all step by step set, all step by step set, this set, and all set, this all set, this all file and CSS file, this form name, all step by step video done. This all table set. Please subscribe my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and bell icon click. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.